In the depths of sorrow, a single father found himself, on an inopportune day, sitting alone with his young son at the end of a desolate tree. Time seemed to stand still as they both struggled to bear the weight of their grief. The light that once illuminated their lives had vanished without a trace, leaving them enveloped in darkness. For what felt like an eternity, the father remained motionless, immersing himself in the suffocating sea of sorrow. But his restless son refused to accept this despairing fate. With determination shining in his eyes, the boy gently roused his father from his tormented state. "Come, father, let us listen to the whole song," the boy implored, reaching out and clasping his father's trembling hand. And in that moment, a flicker of hope ignited within the father's heart. Confused, the father questioned his son's intentions, asking what he planned to do. The boy's response was resolute. "I'm going to find the light. I want to feel its warmth and radiance for myself." Together, hand in hand, they embarked on a journey to seek solace and renewal. With each step, the father couldn't help but marvel at the unwavering spirit of his determined son. He began to realize that this little soul possessed a deep understanding of life's trials and a remarkable capacity for empathy. Finally, as they reached the end of their quest, the boy called out to his father, his voice filled with purpose and determination. "Father, I want to work towards finding the light. If you wish to rediscover your own inner light, then you possess great merit and altruism." Overwhelmed by his son's wisdom, the father looked upon him with awe, realizing that the boy had become his beacon of hope in this time of darkness. With tears streaming down his face, the father mustered the strength to respond. "Indeed, my son, you are the embodiment of resilience, living proof that there is a light within us all, even in the midst of our deepest sorrows." In that poignant moment, the father understood that his son's unwavering spirit was a rebellion against the forces of despair. He never expected such fortitude from one so young and tender. And so, dear audience, let this recounting of a time of sorrow and a single father's unwavering love serve as a reminder that even in our darkest hours, it is the light of resilience and the support of loved ones that guide us towards hope and healing. May we all find the strength to rise above our sorrows and let our light shine forth